Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to calculate working time in Microsoft Excel. So let's start it. At first open your Excel document file. Firstly then you show the working time is the this working time is calculated in the in time. The firstly then I show the now click for the in time and second columns option. Now keyboard press from the equal option. Now select from the out time option. Now for control for click minus in time. Now for click. That's all. Then keyboard press for now control enter. That's it. Then show the calculating working time in the in time. This show. Then select here all. That's okay. Then show the calculate working time in Microsoft Excel, the in out time, start time and the in time. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.